Welcome to Drawliper channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable this edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. After that, scroll down a bit, then go to display option. Now from here, scroll down again, then just tap on edge panel option. Now by tapping here, you can enable edge panel and you can see it's enabled successfully. Now if you want to customize your edge panel, just tap on panels option. From here you can add or remove any item to your edge panel. You can see weather, tools, clipboard, apps, people, task, reminder, and you can choose any option as you want. If I select reminder, and that's it, you can see it's added successfully. Now if you go back and then tap on handle option, from here you can customize your edge panel. At first just tap on position option. You can choose left or right, and that's it. Now you can see it's left side now. You can also lock your handle position from here, and from here you can change your color. You can choose any color as you like. Also from here you can increase or decrease your transparency, and from here you can change size, and it's done. And that is how you can enable edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy A07 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.